In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a submit button in Google Forms. Let's start by opening your Google form. You can do this from Google Drive or by going directly to the Google Forms website and choosing the form you want to work on. Once your form is open, you'll see the editing interface with your questions in the center, a toolbar on the right, and some options along the top. Now, here's something important to understand. Google Forms automatically includes a submit button for every form. You don't have to manually add one like you might in other form builders. Instead, your job is to make sure the form is set up correctly so that the built-in submit button appears and works the way you want. To check this, go to the top right and click on the eye icon, which is the preview button. This opens the live version of your form, exactly how your respondents will see it. Scroll to the bottom of the form and you'll see the submit button there. If your form has multiple sections, the button might appear on the final section after people click next through the earlier parts. If you don't see the submit button, it usually means you're still in the middle of a section or you haven't added any questions yet. Go back to the editor. Make sure you have at least one question and that your sections flow correctly from one to the next. Then preview again and scroll to the end. You can't change the basic behavior of the submit button, but you can control what happens after someone clicks it. To do that, go back to the editor and click on the settings icon at the top, which looks like a gear. In the settings panel, look for the section that controls response options and confirmation messages. Here you can customize the message people see after submitting, such as a simple "Thanks for filling out this form," or more specific instructions, like what will happen next or how long a response might take. Once you're happy with how everything looks, use the preview one more time and do a test submission yourself. This helps you see the full experience from your audience's perspective and confirm that the submit button and confirmation message are working correctly. That's all you need to know to make sure your Google form has a clear, functional submit button and a smooth finish for anyone filling it out.